TeraFlex's heavy-duty steering upgrade for the Ford Bronco allows you to upgrade the steering rack with fully adjustable heavy-duty tie rod ends. This kit is only compatible with the standard steering rack. It is not compatible with the Haas 3.0 suspension upgrade. In addition to the heavy-duty tie rod ends, a metal rack bushing is included to help reinforce a major weak spot on the standard steering rack. The rack reinforcement is also available for purchase on its own, in case you just want the reinforced rack bushing. To begin the installation, lift the vehicle off the ground and remove the front wheels. Disconnect the tie rod from the knuckle. You'll need to hit the tie rod ends with a hammer to disconnect them. It probably won't be as easy as ours appears to be because we videoed this install just after installing the RT3 kit, so the tie rod ends had just been put back on. On the rack end of the bellow, cut the band. Avoid cutting the factory bellow, especially if you are watching this, to only install the metal rack bushing. Pull the bellow away from the rack housing to expose the inner section of the tie rod. Use a wrench to loosen the factory tie rod. Once it's loose, you can spin the whole thing off pretty quickly. On the driver's side only, remove the plastic steering bushing. It can break quite easily, so make sure none of the pieces fall into the rack. Once the plastic bushing is removed, you can see where the new bushing slots into the rack. It only fits one way, so it's very straightforward. Install the accompanying snap ring and make sure it's seated into the groove all the way. Take the TeraFlex tie rod and separate the two halves. Install the provided bellow onto the tie rod. There's a little groove in the tie rod where the bellow should be clamped. Make sure the small snap ring is clamped on before reassembling the tie rod end. You can try to match the length of the factory tie rod, and that will get you pretty close to where it needs to be. You'll still need to do an alignment, but at least you will be close. Install the inner joint onto the steering rack. To torque things properly, you should have a crowfoot wrench, but of course, even the TeraFlex shop doesn't have one of these. So we get the probably more common method of do it by feel. Make sure the large snap ring is on the tie rod before connecting it to the knuckle, which you can do now. Set the preload on the inner joint. Loosen the 3 set screws. Note that when you get an alignment, this joint might need to be loosened to be able to adjust the length of the ball joint. Use a crowfoot wrench connected to a torque wrench and set the preload to 5 foot-pounds. If you don't have a crowfoot, then you want to tighten until it just barely starts to feel snug. Avoid over-tightening because it will make the steering feel rigid. There is a break-in period, so we recommend checking the torque after about 2,000 miles, if you can. Attach the bellow to the rack and clamp it in place. We made it so the clamp is easily removed to allow for easy adjustment. To adjust the outer joint attached to the knuckle, remove the single set screw and tighten to 5 foot-pounds. Like the inner joint, avoid over-tightening and retighten as the joint becomes loose. To grease the inner joint, add grease to the zerk located in the middle of the tie rod. You will need to pull back the bellows to see the boot swell. The outer joint zerk is located under a rubber cap on top of the joint. For both joints, add grease until the boot begins to swell. Make sure to do this periodically to prevent wear. Make sure you don't overfill either of these joints. The greatest benefit of having TeraFlex's HD steering upgrade is the peace of mind of knowing that you'll be able to drive home after a long day of playing off-road. Thanks for watching.